Hi, I'm Mike Hancock with Hancock Injury Attorneys, and the most common question I get from my clients after they've been involved in a car accident is, who's going to pay for my hospital bills? To answer that, we have to look at the various insurance coverages involved. First and foremost, Florida is considered a no-fault state for insurance, and we follow what's known as the Florida no-fault insurance laws. And pursuant to that law, everybody has to have no-fault coverage, which is also known as PIP or PIP. PIP stands for Personal Injury Protection Coverage, and that follows you around no matter what vehicle you're in. And that part of the policy is always $10,000. It pays for 80% of each medical bill submitted up to a maximum of $10,000. The second insurance coverage that's going to pay for your hospital bills is the at-fault parties bodily injury liability coverage. And that bodily injury liability coverage pays for things such as your medical bills, your lost wages, and your pain and suffering. The third area that we look to get your medical bills paid is we looked at your own policy to see if, in addition to your no-fault or PIP coverage, whether you have something called medical payments coverage. And not everybody does, but if you do, it's typically in the $1,000 to $5,000 range. And PIP will pay 80% of each bill, and then they will bring over 20% from your medical payments coverage until it's exhausted. And then the last area we look to pay for your hospital bills is your uninsured motorist coverage. So in Florida, uninsured motorist coverage also includes underinsured motorist coverage. So whether the at-fault party had no bodily injury coverage available at all, or whether that at-fault party didn't have enough bodily injury coverage, therefore being underinsured, that's the other part of the insurance coverage that we look to get your hospital bills paid. I'm Mike Hancock with Hancock Injury Attorneys, and if you have any other questions or more questions about who pays for your hospital bills, give me a call at 813-915-1110, and I'd be happy to answer any questions you have.